how to start swing trading as a beginner. Today, I would like to share with you my number one strategy that I've been using in the past few years and that grew my accounts exponentially. My name is Silvia Bellrock and I'm an Extreme Life instructor, and today I would walk you through my process that I use to swing trade. So the strategy that I'm using is very, very simple. I'm focusing on one instrument and one time frame. And if you're a beginner, there is plenty of information out there that might be overwhelming. It's very important to focus on one instrument in the beginning instead of trying to trade all instruments in all time frames at the same time. So the instrument that I'm trading is the S&P 500 index. Why I'm choosing this instrument is because it is very, very predictable, and I know that I have an edge by longing that instrument. So on the long run, the market will always go up, and historically it's been going up. So my edge and advantage is at longing the market. So all I'm looking at is I'm looking for some deeper corrections and some deeper pullbacks. So the number one step is to identify the market cycle. Are we in an uptrending cycle, a sideways cycle? This could be accumulation or distribution. Or are we in a downtrending cycle? If we're in an uptrending cycle or accumulation cycle, all I'm doing is looking at some liquidity zones or support zones, in other words, and I'm trying to find the best spot to enter. For that, I'm using the daily time frame and I'm using the candlesticks as my entry. So I'm looking for 3 to 5 red candlesticks in a row at support. Once the market stops around support, I'm looking for some kind of a reversal. So this gives me the clue that there are more buyers stepping in and the market is about to reverse from that support zone and go back to the upside. And I'm trying to take this swing from the support zone to the next resistance zone. This way, I have a very good risk versus reward ratio. Number two is to figure out where to exit. So you have to make sure that you exit at the right spot, because trade management is very, very important. So if you know your resistance zones, you can put directly your take profit around the resistance zones and exit around the resistance. And so these are very simple steps and important steps you can take. If you want to learn more in depth this strategy and how simple it is, feel free to join us at XM Live. We have everyday education there, and I would like to see you in one of my sessions.